Happy morning to one and all present here. I am Aruna Devi of grade 9A. I am here. My exhibit is about coordinate geometry. First, what is meant by coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is used to point the position of an object on the graph. For example, the smiley, it shows it is an ordinate of 1 and an abscissa of 1. So its position is 1, 1 in the graph. Then there are 4 quadrants in coordinate geometry on the graph. The first quadrant has the positive value of both abscissa and ordinate, and the second quadrant has the negative value of abscissa and the positive value of ordinate. The third quadrant has both negative and negative value of abscissa and ordinate. The fourth quadrant has the positive value of abscissa, the negative value of ordinate. In the first quadrant, we cannot state that either the abscissa has the greater value or the ordinate has the greater value. In second quadrant, we can state that ordinate has the greater value because abscissa is in negative. Negative is smaller than positive, so we can state that ordinate has greater value. In third quadrant, both are in negative. According to maths, we know that if a small in a negative, if there is a small number has a negative sign than a greater number, then the small number has the greater value. In fourth quadrant, abscissa is in positive and the ordinate is in negative. Of course, we can state that abscissa has the greater value. Also coordinate geometry is used to find the distance between the two objects on the graph. This states that 2 points. This states that we can find the distance between the 2 points. For that we use the formula that x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. From that we can get that answer as root 5 and plus 4 in the chart. Then this also states that the distance between the 2 points x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Then this shows the origin and the point. Origin and the point, which means a starting point and the ending point. This states for this we need to take that end point 3, 3. If we square a square is the abscissa, which means 3, and b square is the ordinate, which means 4. If we square that, we will get the answer. So in the chart, first one we got the answer as 5. In this we can find the area of the quadrilateral in which the location of the quadrilateral in the graph. For this we need to divide the quadrilateral into two triangles, ABC and ADC. If we substitute the areas of the triangle, we will get the actual position where the quadrilateral is located on the graph. This is the midpoint formula, which we need to find the distance between this A and B, in which we will get the value of C. For this x1 we need to do a calculation, which means x1 plus x2 divided by 2 plus y1 plus y2 divided by 2. In a chart that states the third midpoint formula. Then this is also an origin and the point, which in which the point starts and which the point ends. B units in which it means ordinate. B means ordinate. The point is on negative direction of y-axis, which means ordinate. Negative direction of ordinate, so it is on -4. So its value is in -4. And then this is also origin and the point, in which A units refers to abscissa, which means 0, 3. The point is on 3, so this value is 3. And then this is known as the section formula, which means we want to take the value of mx plus nx and then my plus ny divided by m plus n. This is the area of the triangle. In this we need to find this formula is used to find the area of the triangle in which the actual position on the graph. Although this is of coordinate geometry, it provides a link between algebra and the geometry through the use of lines and curve graphs. It helps to determine latitude and longitude, map projections, architecture, visualization, GPS and navigation system, medical ideology, design, astronomy, engineering, etc. It also has several applications in trigonometry, calculus and dimensional geometry and other science. Thank you.